Let's learn how you can make AI generated YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So first step is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now you want to go to this sidebar menu and open Dreamlab. Here will be a prompt box where you need to describe the image you want to create. First make sure you have credits, enough of credits to make this AI image, and now you want to describe your thumbnail. So make me YouTube thumbnail for tutorials, for example, like this. Now you want to click on create and just wait for picture to create itself. And as you can see here, we got a few examples that we can see. This looks good enough. We can edit the image if we want. And if you are fine with everything, you just want to click on share and then download it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next video.